All right, so what we're gonna see in this video, few things: setup, installations, and configuration, and how to. How the camera works. Now this camera, we're looking in a HD camera, 1080, night vision, 120-degree angle view. Can see up to 15 feet. If you're looking at powerful battery in 40,400, and I will let you know why the battery. What is that all that for? We'll begin now. How we doing, everyone? My name is Dario from mediaboxentlab.com. All right, so a few details on the camera that I say to you: a 14,400 milliamp hour, right? Powerful battery. The purpose of that in this outdoor camera, I don't know if I said that in the beginning, but it's an outdoor camera, waterproof, IP66, water, rain, snow, perfect. Can you use indoor? Yes, you can use indoor. Now this camera. The idea of that battery is if you need to install it in a place where power is not possible, will allow you to now use this. It will be able to work for many months, and then when it's required to charge it, the application will let you know the wrong side of battery and you recharge it. The nice thing is pretty simple to remove the camera. It comes with all this. So what I did, I removed everything. So we had the camera. We had two type of stands, right? We had the magnetic version, or if you want this one, right? And it has all the screws, so no trip to the hardware store. And if you have power, you can just use this to power the camera all the time. It requires $5. The simple way, you're gonna put that with the screw right there, put the camera in, and point it whatever you need. Now the camera is gonna work, right, for a few months. What does makes the change on battery wise is what is the traffic in the section you want to record? There's a lot of traffic, a lot of people going through, right? And how long you want to record? 20 seconds. We're going to look into all those things. So that's very important. That will allow you to, work for a month or 2 months or 3 months. Then it's pretty simple. Remove it back again, charge the camera, put it back again. Or if you have power all the time, you can have it right over here. Now the camera has a speaker, two-way audio, so we can listen or send audio as well too. If you look at right in the back, it's pretty simple. We have the reset button, micro SD card. Install 128 gigabytes there. No memory included, so you need to put that. Power-wise, reset button on and off. If you look here at the lens, night vision, we have a cool LED light when it's recording, and actually, and it will blink a blue, let you know the camera is on, and red when it needs to pair. You have the night vision and motion detector. Right, pretty simple, waterproof. And when you finish, you're gonna put that there, and that's it. Now, as we see the parts here, no trip to the hardware store. We have everything, and I think this is a powerful magnetic device. So on the next section, I'll show you how simple it is to install this camera. I think it definitely is a great camera to use outdoor or indoor. Okay, so we are ready to install. All right, perfect. So you need to do one thing first. And iOS devices, Apple, the Apple Store, or if you have an Android, go to Google Play, and you need to download Cloud Agent. Download it, install it, create an application, and that's it. That's the only thing. Anyway, it's right here on the instructions how to do that. All right, Cloud Agent is the only thing. You have sign up, get all that and get your account, and that's the next part. So the next part requires 2.4 gigahertz for the installation of the camera. This camera works with 2.4, and all the cameras work with 2.4, by the way. They all use 2.4 network, so make sure you know the password of your network. All right, so we are ready for the installation. You're ready. The app is running, and you are on this first page. So what we need to do now is add the device. We add the device, and we're going to click in battery, camera. So it lets you know hold the power to turn on. There's no hold power here, so we're going to turn it on. Okay, and then it's audio, and that will blink. It will see that blinking in a second. So we're going to click next. Right, so we need to reset it, and this one actually give you a sound effect. So I'm going to hold it until we get the sound effect. That's it. That means reset. It's going to power it off and comes on, and that we gotta wait until that start blinking. Next step. All right, so in my case, I have set it up already. 2.4. Enter the password. Click next. Yes, 2.4. So we have the code right there. So keep it almost that way. Wait. We should be able to hear a sound. Sometimes if it gets too close. Let me go a little farther. There, you hear that? So if it's too close, now works. So that's it. At that point, I'm going to go next. Connect it. You see that blue dot right there? It's done. At that point, call it whatever you want. The camera, outdoor, corner, garage. Done. How nice is that? At this point now, few things here. Right, we can see the main, and that's the screenshot, the first screenshot we got with the camera. All right, I'm going to click play. So let's put the camera this way, and you can see me there. So nice and perfect, right? I can go full screen display. I already get a message from the phone saying, hey, you know, by the way, I'm detecting something there. And we see here a nice in screenshot. It's the time there. We can see the time and the hour there's recording. Right at the bottom, I can start recording, means recorded right on my phone, right? Or I can talk to the camera, right, by hitting right over here on see, hold it there. So I can actually send audio to there, or I press the speaker to be able to hear that. We can change it here. We can go to HD or standard if you want. In HD, there's another message coming in. Let's detect the my movement there. We can turn that off. But I'm gonna go into the configuration. And that's a nice resolution, right? Real nice. So let's go back and let's minimize this app. And we have to go from the tab there. And we are right there. All right, at this point, again, we can get a screenshot, live history, intercom, record. We have the audio, album, and motion detector. Cloud service, if you activate the cloud service, we can see in the Wi-Fi 100% battery is about 50%. Configuration of the camera. Okay, receive alert, right? Share the device information, IP address, and much more. Installation guide, we already did that. Basic functions, right? Some basic functions here. It's you know, indicator of the network. You can turn it off if you want, right? Speaker volume, we can put it 100%. Default is about 70. You want 12 hours or military hour, right? PM or AM or military. Flip the screen, night vision, automatic, power management. 50%, and it's powered through battery. All right, so you get all that this cool thing. Then power saving mode, right? Maximum shot time 10 seconds, right? And a shot interval against that. So more shot, more battery. All right, so motion detector, how you want it. I think it's set on high right now. You can turn it off if you want, right? 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, low, high. So it all depends how you want it. You can activate it during the day, night vision, or also have the plan on the cloud service plan. But it's super easy to install. I did this truly real time. If you're looking at camera, it has a nice powerful battery. They can last a few months to be an outdoor, and there is no way to connect power to not look anymore. You have it right over here. Remember to always add a memory. I will recommend a nice 128 gigabyte. That will be the top how much memory you can put there. You can go 32 to 128. All right, guys, so with this we complete the video. Now you need to secure your house. What you need to do is get the camera. And how you do that? Right below this video, click it on it so you can get the camera. Not only that, I will leave you a good memory that I recommend to use with this camera, 128 gigabytes too. Get that as well too, so you can right away start securing your house. I'll see you next time. Bye.